Hello students, today we are going to start the second term syllabus of English subject, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is the eighth topic. The name of this topic is an ant and a pattern. So students, in this topic we are going to learn about an ant and the pattern that it is making. So you are very well known what an ant is. Yes, an ant is a very small insect. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला मुंगी असं म्हणतो. इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट अ चींटी. सो हिंदी में हम उस एंट को, जो इंग्लिश में एंट है, उसे हिंदी में हम चींटी कहते हैं. सो वी आर वेरी वेल नोन व्हाट एन ant is. But do you know what a pattern means? I will tell you. A pattern means it is a way in which some things happen or some things are done. Or you can say arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, etc. as a design, or to form a design, it is called as a pattern. So whenever you hear the word circle, what comes to your mind? Yes, a round figure comes to your mind just like this. When you hear the word triangle, the shape of a triangle, the design of a triangle or the figure of a triangle comes to your mind. Similarly, when you hear the word square, a picture of square comes to your mind, or the things which are having square shape, they come to your mind. Also, when you hear the word star, so the word shape of a star or the stars that are twinkling in the sky, they come to your mind, isn't it? So what is this pattern? The pattern means arrangement of lines, arrangement of shapes or colors. It is called as a pattern. Or whenever you are drawing, you are drawing some figure, you draw it in some pattern, means you give it some shape. So there are some shapes which are universal. Triangle, it is always like this. Square, it is always like this. Circle, it should be always like this. So these are the patterns. These are the patterns or the designs of triangle, square shape and a star shape. So these are the patterns. These are universal. Wherever you go, when you say circle, it will be like this only. Whenever you say triangle, it will be the same everywhere in the world. So this is a pattern, and this lesson, an ant and a pattern, we are going to see how an ant makes some patterns. So this is the story about two children, that is Hina and Rohit. In the picture you can see the two children, that is Hina and Rohit. So what are they doing? Let us learn about it. So Hina has an ink pot on her table. So Hina is a girl who is having a ink pot on her table, on her study table maybe. What is an ink pot? Do you know what is an ink pot? Yes, there is a bottle in which ink is kept. Ink, shai. So the bottle in which ink is kept is called as ink bottle. So the bottle is having ink in it. So obviously, since it is an ink pot, some ink is there in the bottle. But it does not have a lid. The bottle is not having any lid. Lid means jhakan. Bottle's a jhakan. The cover or the top cover, you can say. So the bottle, this ink bottle, is not having the cover or the lid. Yes, it is not having the lid. So Hina sees that there is something inside the bottle which is moving. So Hina notices that since her bottle is not having any lid over it, she identifies or she sees that there is something inside the bottle which is moving, which is shaking. So she calls her brother. So she is asking her brother to come here and see what is there in this ink pot or this ink bottle. So her brother's name is Rohit. Now both of them are talking to each other. ते दोघेही एकमेकांशी बोलतायत. So what are they talking? Hina says there is something inside the ink pot. So Hina is telling her brother that there is something which is moving inside this bottle. So Rohit says, yes, I too can see that. Rohit says, yes, I also can see that there is something inside the bottle. and it is a very tiny insect. So what does Rohit say? Rohit says it is a very tiny insect. Tiny means very small. Agdi chota. So Rohit says that inside the bottle I can see a tiny insect, a very small insect. So Hina says, look, it moves about. So Hina is saying, just have a look. The tiny insect is moving inside the ink bottle. Okay. Then Rohit, he says, keep a white sheet of paper. Let the insect crawl over it. So what does Rohit say? Rohit says, just beside the bottle, अगदी बॉटलच्या बाजूला एक white sheet of paper. Let us keep a white sheet of paper near the bottle. So when the insect comes out of that bottle, let it crawl over it. Crawl means to move slowly. Yes, to crawl means to move slowly. Moving slowly means crawling. In Marathi, we call it रांगणे. छोटंसं बाळ कसं रांगतं? येस, अगदी जे बाळ छोटंसं असतं ते अगदीच चालायला लागत नाही. सो इट विल स्टार्ट crawling to move slowly and then it will learn to walk. That is crawling, rangne. So Rohit is saying, keep a sheet of paper, let the insect crawl over it, let the insect move over it. And so they keep a white sheet of paper. You can see here in the picture, they have kept a white sheet of paper over it and the insect is crawling. It is moving slowly over this white sheet of paper. So when the insect comes out of the ink bottle, both of these children, that is Rohit and Hina, they are able to recognize. They say, oh, it is an ant. What a lovely pattern it makes. So Hina says, it is an ant. She could easily identify it. Since it was inside the ink bottle, it was colored with the ink and she was not able to identify what insect it was. But now the insect is out of the bottle. She can see it easily and she says that it is a ant. And she says how lovely pattern, how lovely shape this ant is making. Then Rohit says the pattern looks like an elephant. So you can see here, or you can see it in your textbook as well, that the pattern that is drawn by the elephant, it just looks, the pattern that was drawn by the ant, it looks like a elephant. So students, this was the lesson an ant and a pattern. This pattern or this design was done by the ant, and so the lesson's name an ant and a pattern. Now we will be looking for the picture day. On page number 57 you can see here a picture and some information is given about this picture. So let us see what this picture day is actually about. Now let us see what is this picture day saying. So here you can see a cartoon character. Yes, can you recognize this student? Yes, it is the cartoon character Pooh. So you might have seen the cartoon whose name is Winnie the Pooh. So this is Winnie. So let us see what is she saying. So Pooh gets out of a bed. Today is picture day at school. So Pooh, she got up early. She got out from her bed. She has got ready for the school and she is saying today is a picture day. So in the school today they are going to draw a picture. So now Pooh is getting ready to go to the school. She has taken her crayons and she says, I am happy because I am having all my crayons. So Pooh is very much happy because she is having the crayons of all the colors. And Pooh, she likes to draw an apple. So Pooh likes to draw the picture of an apple. She has become so much perfect in drawing the apple that she never uses a eraser when she is drawing the apple. So Pooh comes near a pond. So she is now ready to go to the school and she has now reached a pond. And she just looks into the water of the pond and she sees that her own picture or her own face is seen in the water. So can you see this? Here is
Pooh sitting, and here she can see her own reflection. So when you see into the water, your reflection can be seen in the water, and same has happened with Pooh, and Pooh is able to see the picture of herself, and Pooh, she does not know that the water shows the reflection, and she says that the water has learned to make pictures. She is very happy that just like her, she loves to draw an apple and she has learned to draw an apple. So she is happy that the water has also learned to draw pictures or to make pictures.